Welcome back to my channel, friends. Yummy Bites by Sudhika. Today's video, it's about whipping creams. I've already posted a detailed video, how to use non-dairy and dairy whipping cream and powder whipping creams. But today's video is about doubts, questions and lot of queries related to whipping cream. Important points about dairy or non-dairy whipping cream. The first question will be, which dairy product is best to buy? Always buy dairy cream having a maximum amount of fat content, I'll say at least 36% and above. How long can cake frosted in whipped cream stay? For dairy whipping cream, once the icing is done, the cake has to be kept slightly colder temperature. This type of cream won't withstand the summer room temperature for long. Having said this product tastes heavenly. Now coming back to non-dairy cream, it does not become stale in days. Does not mean you can use it, but you can keep it in room temperature for longer time. How to identify a non-dairy whipped cream? Look at the ingredients. It should not have any milk as a content. Should have one of the following ingredients called soy, palm based, etc. The next question. Can this cream be heated, dairy or non-dairy? Yes, you can heat either dairy or non-dairy, both. It's safer. Is it stable for frosting? Dairy cream, no. It gives hard time for whip. You cannot make customized cake with dairy cream. Non-dairy cream, definitely yes. It's a stable cream. What is the shelf life of the whipping creams? Dairy product, once it's opened, you can keep it maximum for 3 days in the refrigerator, and non-dairy until the expiry date is mentioned on the box. You can keep it in the freezer. Can we make designer cakes using dairy or non-dairy whipping cream? For dairy cream, no. It's a highly unstable and does not stand the temperature. It's risky even after stabilizing. For non-dairy, definitely yes, you can make customized cake according to your client's needs. How to store these creams for longer time? For non-dairy, you have to store only in the freezer. For dairy, once it's open, you have to use it in 3 days, but you have to only and only refrigerate, no freezer. The next question. Can it be stabilized? Yes, for both products, yes, you can stabilize both the products. Is the transportation possible using dairy whipping cream frosted cakes? Definitely no. It's not stable whipping cream and it's quite risky. Non-dairy cream frosted cakes, definitely yes. It's a stable cream and not much of a risk. So friends, I hope I have answered or cleared all your doubts. If you have any problem, any questions, any doubts, query related to whipping creams, please write in the comments below. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time. Thank you.